Hi there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight, and on this video, I want to explain exactly why I chose Elementor. So there are definitely several page builders like Beaver Builder, like Thrive Architect, like Divi, Teamify, and other page builders. And definitely all of them claim that they are the best. And the purpose of this video is not necessarily to say which one is better than the other. I just wanted to say why I chose Elementor. So everybody has a starting point, and in my case, I was presented the option of working with two theme builders at the same time. One was Thrive Architect, and the other one was Elementor. Now, I did not know about page builders. I used to use WordPress, but I had not used any page builder. Nevertheless, since I was following somebody else's suggestion, I started to focus on Thrive Architect and I started to learn it. However, after a while, I noticed that Elementor was easier and more simple to follow. So I started to focus on Elementor, which was really less complex than Thrive Architect. And not with that, I'm saying that Thrive Architect is not good. It's definitely rated as one of the top page builders, and there's a lot you can accomplish with Thrive Architect. But in my case, personally, I just felt that Elementor was easier. I learned faster what I needed to learn, so I just stick with Elementor. Now, there are two things that I want to talk about in this quick video about Elementor, and one of them is the free version. You can have the free version installed on your WordPress website, and you can really accomplish a lot of things with the free version. If you want a beautiful website, you can download some of the templates that the free version of Elementor allows you to download. And you can add things like buttons, you can add videos. There are several things that you can add. I'm going to show you some of those right now. For example, if I go to a website that I have, here on the left side, it's telling me to upgrade to Elementor Pro. Now, I don't have Elementor Pro installed on this one. I only have the basic version of Elementor. So it's just trying to sell me there. It's just telling me, suggesting me that I shall upgrade to Elementor Pro, which on this website I'm not going to do yet. However, if I want to create a post, let me just create a post here. I'm just going to hit edit with Elementor just to show you some of the buttons that you will get in the basic version. You can add headings, you can add images, text editor, you can add video, buttons, dividers, spacer, and pretty and truly, you can improve the view of your website this way. You can also do this. You can come here and click on this folder, and it will open up the library where you will get tons of templates. Now, obviously, a lot of them are going to say Pro because the idea is for you to upgrade to Pro, but I want to prove you that you can keep the basic version and you can really accomplish a lot of things and have a beautiful website. So you can scroll here either through blocks or on the pages. You can scroll here and you can actually select one of the templates. For example, this one looks pretty good. Let me just go ahead and insert this template to see how it looks. It's going to take a little while it's inserting, and there you go. You know, it looks pretty good. If I hit here on the lower left side to preview changes, it's going to open up in another window. Let's just give it a little while here while it opens up in another window. And this is exactly more or less how my website will look if I chose to stick with that template that I just entered. So there are definitely a lot of things that you can do to change that on the basic version. But I just wanted to show you that one of the things that you could do is to import some of the templates. Now, I'm just going to exit out from here. And I also wanted to show you that one of the things that I like from the free version is the ability, just go back here to the home page. One of the things I like from the free version is the ability to import plenty of add-ons or plugins. If I go to the plugins section inside my WordPress dashboard, I can come here and type Elementor. Let's put Elementor add-ons. And let's wait a while for it to load. And it will give me a list. I wrote this wrong, Elementor. Okay, Elementor add-ons. And it will load a lot of options for me to add add-ons or plugins for free to the basic version of Elementor. So I can go through any one of those. For example, this one here, premium add-ons for Elementor, says premium add-ons for Elementor plugin includes widgets and add-ons like blog post, grid gallery, carousel, modal pop-up. Let's just go ahead and click on more details to see what it looks like. And it's going to give me more details about this opportunity or this option to download plugins. And you can go through it on your own. I'm going to click here where it says check Elementor widgets and add-ons demo pages, because it will usually come up. It will usually take me to their page where I can read and get more information. So it says here the #1 Elementor companion. And again, what I'm trying to say is that with the basic version, you can get a lot of add-ons, a lot of plugins that will enhance the way your website looks. So for example, it says free widgets and pro widgets. It says Elementor Page Builder already has many great content elements, but using premium add-ons elements will help you design more professional looking website pages with no coding required. So you can download these free add-ons or widgets, like for example, a media grid, pricing table, carousel, banner, vertical scroll, team members, blog, and all of these. You will see that if I touch this, it's going to go over to Pro Widgets, and it's going to change the widgets to image layer, icon box, and it actually says premium there, 3D flip box, iHover, charts, and so on and so on. All of them says premium, but you can actually download the free widgets and you will be able to have a lot of customization on your website. So that is one of the things that I like from Elementor, the basic version. And talking about the Pro version, beside all that I have said that you can accomplish with the basic version, you have other elements that you can also download from pages like these right inside your dashboard. Like for example, let me just go back to my website and I'm going to come back here to the dashboard. Just exit out from here and let me just go back to another post. Like if I'm going to create a post and I'm going to create it with Elementor. And once it loads up, I get the same interface that I was getting with the basic version. It's going to tell me, actually it's the same website. It's going to tell me basic, and these are the elements that I can get on the basic version, but then it says Pro. So I have the option to insert post, portfolio, gallery, forms, login, slides, navigation menus, and a lot of other features or elements, widgets that I can get with the Pro version. Now, not only that, but I can also completely customize a website and build it the way I want it to be. So I can have a header, I can build a header exactly how I want. I can build a footer, I can build the sidebars, I can build or customize the main section of the website. So the Pro version gives you the opportunity or the ability to completely build a website. Is a team builder. You can actually create your own theme with the Pro version, which is pretty cool. So that is exactly the reason why I have stick with Elementor rather than Thrive Architect. Now, I will definitely want to dive into Thrive Architect and Beaver Builder and other page builders in the future. But for the time being, I will definitely focus on Elementor and Elementor Pro. So basically, that's the reason why I chose to create this video, just to explain why I have chosen Elementor Pro. Now, if you want to see a full comparison of the basic version and the free version of Elementor, you can look in the description of this video and you can hit the link there and you can read a full comparison of Elementor and Elementor Pro. So that's all there is to it on this video. This is Peyton from Profit Daylight. Thanks for listening.